This training guide is for how to use the crimpers and the wire strippers join installs. If you look inside of the crimp connection, we will use a yellow one for this video as it's a lot easier to see. You can see that there's a small split all the way down the centre of the inner core. This has to be at the top or the bottom for the crimpers to work correctly. If we have it working correctly, as you will see, it will crimp into a slight figure of 8 shape. What will happen is the split piece will dig into the cables and this will secure it. If you have it the wrong way, it will just go flat and lay flat on top of the cables, and this will be incorrect, as you can pull the cables out nice and easily. So always make sure that you have your split running through the centre at the top or the bottom of your crimpers. The wire strippers, nice simple set of automatic wire strippers. You can use this piece here for the gauge as to how much cable you want to take off with the wire. So we slot our cable in, squeeze the trigger, and that will strip the cable back. What we now do is twist the cable, put a small kink in it so it's folded over on itself like this. We now load our crimp connection into the crimpers. Make sure that the sheath is correct. Slide the cable inside. Make sure we're not pushing all the way through, as it can easily be done. So just push it in enough so that the cable's there. Squeeze down and then pull on the cable to make sure that it's nice and tight.